benefit the Painesville Railroad Museum? Well, so far over the weekend, just Saturday alone, we've had over 2,500 guests come visit the depot and the passenger train. And just the publicity alone, just getting people aware of that we're here and let them know of what we're trying to do. Try to preserve an 1800s train station and try to restore it back into what it used to be back in its glory days. What time frame exactly, we're not sure, but fortunately enough, we have resources who used to work here at the station back when it was in New York Central, and they're willing to help us figure out how it used to look back in the day. And not only just by population of people coming down here, but we've been able to raise funds to help restore the caboose. We've been getting funds. Just this whole event by itself is just going to benefit the depot just in a multitude of ways, getting people aware of what we're trying to do, getting them down here, letting people know that we are here and we do exist, and let them know we're trying to do a good cause, and it'll help us out financially to just help fix some things around the building and lead to other events possibly to help raise even more money. Our next step for the Painesville Railroad Museum, well, first off, I think everybody here is going to just go home tonight and just take off their boots and just collapse on the couch, just be like, oh, all right, we did it. Yeah, and then the next step probably be find out just how the people that came over impacted the general knowledge that people have of the depot, and maybe see how many people come down after this event compared to before the event, and maybe even possibly pursue other large-scale events such as this in the years to come.
Director, they did what they could to keep the president presentable, but it was a challenge to say the least. As I mentioned, the other coffin on the car was Willie's. As you enter the car, the first room, you will see Lincoln's coffin. It's not the original, however, it is just like the original. We used the same plans to build it, the same color for the cloth to upholster it, and the same hardware to mount it. That's 8 handles, 10 stars. They are silver-plated pewter. Mr. Lincoln's coffin used sterling silver. That's a little out of our price range.
Well, up there, when you get up there, we're going to get to be up there. We get up there, I'll be there. I think that's enough. One more. Just throw it away.
And I went to a quieter, more enjoyable space. Wow. Hi. Hi.
That's how that came to be. Now the Lincoln Funeral Car, we don't throw out as the Lincoln Funeral Car.
Well, this was supposed to be his airplane. It was supposed to be riding and traveling. They built it for him and he died. These are all the replicas of all the states. They were